Yo, what's up YouTube? This is Nate with Hillbilly Plumbing, and I'm getting ready to show you all. Why are you turning it?
Because this is much better.
Really?
Landscape is far better
You'll
than
have to
portrait.
excuse my junior videographer, young Padua over there, trying to figure this out.
Landscape is far superior to portrait.
If you guys watched the last video, you know how I screwed up on the last sewer connection. So I'm going to show you guys how to cut this clay pipe, and we're going to install the right style pan this time instead of going backwards and installing the bad one. It's going to be noisy, so cover your ears. And always wear protection. Mouth, eyes, ears. You like this? See how they're nice and clear and I can see right through them? Like I said, Hillbilly Plumbing. You gotta get a video of the actual pipe. So I'm making an incision on top of the pipe here, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to make 2 incisions on the side, pop this off, and I'll show you how to get the bottom. Got enough dirt in the sewer?
Yeah, there's a bunch of dirt in that pipe.
Alright, well you see how that top part just came right off? I made my 2 incisions, and same with on the top, and now it's just the reverse. Just going to go all the way around the bottom. Oh, we got trees.
Yeah, fair amount of rocks down there too.
Alright, so now what we need to do is we've got a pretty good area around here. I got to clean up underneath of it. Oh, more rocks. Shit, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my god, this is cement pad.
I'm pretty sure there's also that over on the other side where we put in that 90. I know, I was just thinking that.
There's no way.
Yeah, you don't.
Actually, nah, I might have just enough under here.
It's gonna be close.
I just need about a finger.
It looks like you have just about a finger.
Yeah.
Yes, mate.
I told you all this is Hillbilly Plumbing. Sometimes you got to use what you got. When you're too lazy to walk up the stairs and get the right tools. All I know is this thing better fit or I'm sending it to the gulag. Oh, what do you know? I tell young Padua to have faith in me, but he has yet to find it. Boom. And that's how you make a plastic to clay sewer connection.
Stop with